This video demonstrates how to set up a basic Alga PSA instance for testing and experimentation. A demo of setting up a production environment will come later. We start by cloning the GitHub repository. Once that is done, we create a secrets folder to hold passwords and other confidential information and echo test configuration data into secrets. These secrets will be mapped into the container to make them available to the application. We need to set the permissions of the secrets folder to allow Alga PSA to read it, and then take an example.env file and create a real one. The env file has non-secret configuration information like application settings. After that, run the Docker compose to start up the application. I am going to take out the -d on the end so that we can watch the logs while it starts up. It will download all of the containers and set everything up. Once it is up and running, you should see the initial login details in the server logs. Use the login details provided to login to Alga PSA. We provide some demonstration companies and contacts to get you started with finding your way around. If you run into trouble, there are a few places to look. Use the Docker logs command to check the setup logs. The setup logs will let you know if the database is fully configured. We want to make sure that the seeds all ran. We also want to check that the migrations all ran without errors. Finally, you can check the server container for errors.
This has been a quick demonstration of how to set up Alga PSA on your own machine. If you run into any problems, we have Discord where you can come and ask for help, or you can go onto GitHub and create a new issue and we'll take a look at it and help you out. Have fun!